Take a slow, deep breath in and let it leave your body like a gentle sigh. Again, breathing in and exhaling softly. Feel your entire body supported beneath you. There is nothing to hold, nothing to solve, nothing to become, just this moment. With every breath, your body becomes a little heavier, your mind becomes a little quieter, your heart becomes a little softer. Tonight, we're taking a journey. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a quiet garden path. The warmth of the day still lingers in the earth beneath your bare feet. The stones feel smooth, still holding the gentle warmth of the summer sun. The evening air brushes softly across your skin, comfortable, peaceful. You breathe in and notice the sweet scent of blooming lavender mixed with wild jasmine, fresh herbs, and warm summer grass. In the distance, you hear birds singing their final songs before nightfall. Leaves gently rustle above you. A soft breeze dances through the trees. Somewhere nearby, water quietly trickles from a small stone fountain. You begin walking slowly, with nowhere to be, no destination to reach. Every step feels lighter. As you look towards the horizon, the sky begins changing. Golden light melts into blush pink. Pink becomes lavender. Lavender slowly deepens into soft violet. Above you, the first stars quietly begin appearing. One by one, the sky feels endless, peaceful, as though it has all the time in the world. As twilight settles, tiny lights begin appearing around you. One, then another, then dozens. Fireflies floating effortlessly through the garden. They drift among the lavender flowers, hover above wildflowers, dance around ancient oak trees. Every tiny light reminds you that even the smallest light can gently illuminate the darkness. You stop walking, simply watching, feeling wonder, feeling calm, feeling completely present. Ahead, you discover a quiet pond. The water is perfectly still, reflecting the lavender sky like glass. Water lilies float peacefully across its surface. Dragonflies skim gently over the water. A single frog softly calls in the distance. You sit on an old wooden bench beside the pond. The wood is warm, comfortable, familiar. Everything here feels like home. As you sit quietly, the fireflies slowly gather around you. Not randomly, but gently, as though surrounding you with light. Their glow begins reflecting within your own heart. Notice the light has always been there. It never disappeared. Life simply became noisy. Tonight, you remember. Silently repeat, I am safe. I trust my path. I welcome what is beautifully aligned. I am already home. The stars become brighter, the breeze softer, the garden quieter. Take one final look around you, knowing this place isn't somewhere you found. It's somewhere you'll always be able to return to. With every slow breath, with every quiet moment, with every choice to come home to yourself, begin noticing your own breath again, the gentle weight of your body, the room around you, bringing back with you the peace, the stillness, and the quiet beauty of lavender sky. Whenever the world feels heavy, look toward the lavender sky. I'll meet you there. Namaste.